Let me introduce you to the Doogee V Max Plus, the true titan of rugged smartphones. If you're looking for a device that can withstand any challenge with a battery that lasts for days and top-notch performance, you're in the right place. Let's dive into everything it has to offer. Starting with the design and durability, the Doogee V Max Plus is built to be your ideal companion in any scenario. With IP68, IP69K, and MIL-STD810H certifications, it's resistant to water, dust, and impacts. Whether you're on outdoor adventures or working in extreme environments, this smartphone is ready for anything. But don't be fooled by its rugged appearance. Inside, the V Max Plus is all about power. Equipped with the MediaTek Dimensity 7050 processor, it delivers fast and efficient performance. From multitasking to heavy gaming and demanding apps, this processor handles everything with ease, reaching speeds of up to 2.6 GHz. And when it comes to rugged smartphones, the battery is a crucial point, right? And here, the Doogee V Max Plus shines. It comes with an incredible 22,000 mAh battery, ensuring you stay away from the charger for days. Whether it's for an expedition or a busy workday, it will be with you until the end. Now let's talk about the display. We're looking at a 6.58-inch IPS LCD FHD Plus screen with a 120 Hz refresh rate and a maximum brightness of 400 nits. This means you'll have a smooth and vibrant visual experience, whether you're watching videos, gaming, or browsing your newsfeed. And as for the cameras, what we have here is impressive. A 200 megapixel main camera with AI, capable of recording 4K videos at 30 frames per second. And that's not all. It also has a 20 megapixel night vision camera and an 8 megapixel ultra-wide macro camera. No matter the conditions, you'll capture every detail with perfection. Additionally, it comes with 16 gigabytes of RAM, which can be expanded up to 36 gigabytes with virtual RAM, ensuring you have plenty of memory for all your needs. And when it comes to storage, the V Max Plus offers 512 gigabytes of internal storage and also supports expansion via a micro SD card of up to 2 terabytes, providing ample space for all your files and apps. And of course, when it comes to connectivity, the Doogee V Max Plus doesn't fall behind. It supports 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, and even NFC to make your daily payments easier. Additionally, it has features like reverse charging, meaning you can use it as a power bank to charge other devices like smartphones, smartwatches, and more. So folks, this is the Doogee V Max Plus, a true tank in the world of rugged smartphones. If you liked the video, don't forget to leave your like, comment on what you think of this beast, and of course, subscribe to the channel for more reviews and tech news. The purchase link is in the video description if you're interested. See you in the next video.